I'm Joe, and today I will explain you guys how a jet engine works. I will explain the basics so that you understand the principle behind a jet engine. This will save you from those embarrassing moments when your co-workers are having conversations about jet engines and you have to act like you know what they are talking about. So let's learn it together. A jet engine, or a gas turbine engine, is essentially a tube that takes in air. It compresses the air, mixes it with fuel and burns it so that the air comes out at a higher force than it was taken in at, thus creating thrust. Stage 1. The first part of the engine is the part that sucks in the air. It does this with fans. The fans are stacked up closely together. Because they are stacked up, they compress the air as it is sucked through. Stage 2. After getting sucked in and compressed by the fans, the air enters the next part of the tube. This part is called the combustion chamber. In the combustion chamber, air and fuel are mixed in a perfect ratio. With spark plugs, the fuel is constantly ignited. By burning the air, energy is created. Because the fans in the first part are still sucking in air, the ignited air goes down towards the last part of the tube. Stage 3. There's a turbine in the last part of the tube. Because all the hot air is pushed out through the turbine, it starts spinning rapidly. This creates thrust. Remember the first part of the tube, with the fans in it? The turbine is also connected to this part of the tube. The ignition of the air and the fuel mixture creates so much energy that it can both spin the fans in the compressor and create thrust. That's it. That's a simple explanation of the wonders of a jet engine. Have fun bragging about how smart you are, and I hope to see you for another how-to video. In the meantime, you stay classy.